Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. Initial area of support, what I would call the near-term area, is just where the pullback finally stopped today. And that's right down there around 73 cents. You can see on several occasions, the price tried to push down through there, but the bulls did a good job of pretty much solidifying that area as support. So in the very near term, like I said, 73 cents is going to be that initial area. In the event the price cannot hold above there, then that is where you're going to have to be a little bit more proactive as a trader and keep an eye on that 50-period moving average. I say proactive because, yes, right now the value of that purple line is 53 cents, but that is a moving average, meaning as Friday and then next week plays out, that line's going to move itself higher and higher. Therefore, that value is going to change. So if the price does drop below 73 cents, at that point, your guess is as good as mine as what the current value of the 50 period would be. So you'll just have to be a little bit more active and take an inventory check on what that value would be at that point. So again, right now 53, but that will change. But to be fair also, that 73 cents has done a great job of holding up above or the price has done a great job of staying up above 73 cents. So I'm not saying it's going to fall below there, but if it does, you have to be a little bit more active and take an inventory check of the value of the 50-period moving average. On the flip side of things, where are the levels of resistance at? In the very near term, it's all about the pink line right here, which on my chart denotes the famous 200-period simple moving average. And you can see that line has essentially acted as a top portion of this range. So in some senses, there's a channel pattern that has formed. Bottom of the channel support at 73, top of the channel resistance right up there around 83 cents, the current value of the 200 period moving average. If the price can actually get up through there, then things open up again as far as room to run. And I'm not saying it's headed straight up above $1, but again, from a technical perspective, there is quite a bit of space between the areas of resistance. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is making sure that this current stabilization phase doesn't spin out of control and have it crash down below 73 or anything like that. But so far so good, so it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.